Hello and welcome back to Knitting Nicely. I'm Danielle Chauvet, your knitting coach. Today we're going to do something a little different and we're going to learn how to do a magic circle for crocheting projects. Let's go!
This is how you make a magic loop for lots of different crocheting projects. A magic loop makes it so that the beginning circle is nice and closed really tightly in the middle. So this is how you do it. You're going to wrap your yarn around your finger 3 times. Then you're going to put your crochet hook through all 3 loops on your finger, underneath them. Then you're going to pull this last loop through the other 2 loops. And then you're ready to start doing your stitches into the middle of this circle. Usually, if it's a project like this is a little Pokemon. This is Squirtle, if you didn't know. So on this one, I have 6 stitches going around inside the magic circle. And that's what you'll normally start with in something that has like a ball as the shape. So I need to make 1 chain through this loop to start to prepare for my first single crochet, and then I'm going to make 6 single crochets into the middle of this circle. So here's 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now I usually, when I make a magic circle, I like to pull this out a little bit so that I don't lose that loop. And I put my crochet hook down, and then I give a little tug on this end, and I carefully look at these 2 yarns that are coming out from inside my single crochets. And as I'm pulling, I'm gonna watch to see which one of these yarns moves. So here I'm gonna go like this. Now do you see that middle one is moving? That's the one I'm going to pull on so that my circle becomes super tight in the middle. I'm gonna pull on that one. Give it a nice tug. See how it closes that circle right in? Like that. And then you're gonna pull on the end so that loop that you just pulled on goes away. Then you're going to pick up your crochet hook again and put it right back through that loop that we pulled out, and make it that loop go snug against your crochet hook again. And then you're going to, some patterns will have you do a slip stitch into the first single crochet. Some will have you just start single crocheting around in the round. So I'm going to show you how to find that first single crochet correctly. So you're going to count backwards. However many single crochets you made, you're going to count backwards to find the first one. So I did 6 single crochets. I'm going to count 6. So I start at this V right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means this loop right here is my first single crochet. So I'm going to put my hook through both of those sides of the V, pull up a loop, and this would be a slip stitch. And then you have your little magic circle with 6 single crochets. It's nice and tight in the center.
Thanks for watching my quick little video. If you enjoy watching Knitting Nicely's videos, please hit the like button and subscribe so you can get all the new updates. Happy knitting and crocheting!